1 minute to take you to understand the whole process of landfill construction. The first step, the reservoir body excavation and repair. Excavation, the side slope made this way can be constructed. This is done beautifully. The second step, excavation anchoring ditch, according to the design requirements, 50 centimeters from the side, depth 50 centimeters, width 50 centimeters. The third step of laying geotechnical materials in place. Sprinkle bentonite loose soil at the lap, waterproof blanket lap treatment, 20 to 50 centimeters, waterproof blanket laying is completed. Laying geotextile laying is completed. Laying HDPE geomembrane laying is completed. The lap joint welding. Geomembrane lap using professional equipment, for hot melt welding. Geomembrane paving is completed. The need to test the weld, the use of air tightness test detection. The large plane is detected by electric spark, and the detection equipment will alarm when leakage is encountered. Adopt extrusion welding or hot air welding to repair the leakage point. Geomembrane completed laying, welding, and testing qualified, then lay a layer of filament geotextile, mainly on the geomembrane to play a protective role. The ramp is paved with three-dimensional composite drainage network. This is our landfill construction.